kahapon.
Mahal kasi, hindi mo napaka. Mahirap talaga maliit. Nandiyan pala si Kita. Things that happen in work. Maybe this is the first time. How is this split for this period at work?
Well, everybody's happy because Kitty and I were there, and then we talked about her boyfriend.
Oh my God! It's yes, go
lovely to see,
Kitty.
BP, it's lovely to see you smiling po.
Thank you, ma'am.
VP, Marlica po muli. Kumusta po si PRRD at this point in time?
Gusto po na
Okay naman siya. Okay siya. Kitty gave him a massage.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Very sweet naman.
And then,
Kitty, yeah, go.
na ano siya, na-speechless siya sa boyfriend. Hindi at
Go na yan.
ito sige daw po.
So yun, I was updating him with the situation with our families, and he's happy to hear that we are all doing well, that we are all okay, that we are continuing to pray for him. Na yun, mga positive things lang. We are telling him things that will uplift his spirit and things that will give him strength while he is sleeping.
Nice. May advice ba siya sa'yo?
Secret.
At teka muna, about boyfriend, na-shock ba siya? Okay, sige. Alright. Thank you.
Sa legal side, we need to talk to Nicolas Patuan. So he's the only person that can talk about what they will do with regard to matters inside. Not a problem. I'm just waiting for one more document and then tapos na yung trabaho ko dito. But personally, I'm okay.
Are you going back to the Philippines after that?
Yes, ako. Yan na lang yung inaantay, yung document na yan. Your partners. I think that I don't have the word right now. I only have happy, but it's the incorrect word to describe it. But blessed. I'm blessed because I gave the sister what happened to me after the attacks, the confidential contacts, the impeachment. And we have a relationship now. I have a relationship with Kitty, and I'm happy now. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, I'm happy that I have a sister kasi meron akong pagagalitan. So, growing up, wala akong ganun, but meron ako niyan ngayon. Pinagagalitan na kapatid. And then, I'm happy as well. And this really is ironic. But I have to thank Bongbong Marcos because there was forgiveness between me and PRG for all that has happened in our lives. And we have a relationship now, a father daughter relationship, since we cannot discuss anything legal anymore because it is understood inside that only the lawyers can discuss legal matters with the former president. So we only discuss about family, and this has been one of the longest meetings I have had with the former president. Growing up, he was always busy with work. He was always busy with the country. And now I have this every day with him, talking about life, talking about family. For that, I feel that I am blessed.
Yes.
Because at this point, he's already 18, he's already retired. Going back as baka busy na naman siya sa kanyang trabaho. Meron kami time. Nabigyan kami ng ganitong time at least makapag-usap as a father na.
Yeah, nice kayo.
Yes, actually, ma'am. Sad lang that it has to
Yeah.
happen inside the
Yeah.
ICC,
Pero there is-
inside the
There is a
detention.
good side.
But yes, thank you sa kanya.
Happy ka, ma'am, every day.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
He is really happy to see us. As I have told him, that family has never been more united. Not just with us siblings, but with everyone else in the family. So, he's happy to hear that. And not just us, sa mga supporters din. Yes. I told him of that. I told him that especially on his birthday, there were people